Every great city neighborhood has a treasured breakfast place where locals and visitors look forward to their favorites days ahead of time and even enjoy the quality time spent in anticipation of what awaits inside. In San Francisco's North Beach, near Washington Square, it's Mama's Restaurant. Warm, cozy, and comfortable, Mama's menu delights with fresh baked breads and pastries and the fantastic egg dishes and sandwiches made right before your eyes.
This is like a very quintessential diner, and when I think of like the quintessential diner, I think of like cozy, comforting, a little bit kitschy, and just like wholesome breakfast, lunch type of warm yellow space.
I had an omelet. It was amazing. It was like exactly what I needed today to kind of like get the day started. So great choice.
It feels like home almost. The people are great, the food is great, the energy, that's what I like about it. We're right next to Coit Tower, so it's just a very San Francisco vibe.
Mama's of San Francisco, leaving a great taste in the mouths of visitors every time.